Good day, lovely people. How are you? I'm going to take you on a little journey and show you what it's like to live on the farm and keep these horses. We've got to fill up this tub here. Righto, come along. Just got to make sure that the old rig is hooked up. Got to make sure that the pump is fueled. Now to transfer the water, we just got to make sure that it's going into the pod there and the pump's sucking out of the tank there. Rightio, now that that's the pod filled, it's time to now fill it up in the paddock for the animals.